Email filter. How to create email filter in Gmail. There are benefits in creating a filter in Gmail. You can create filters that will cause certain email to go straight to your spam folder so that you don't need to waste your time or energy reading them. Students can use filters to organize emails sent and received from different of courses. And filters can help separate work and home related email. If you have email that regularly goes in your spam folder but you do not want to go to your inbox without having to select it is not a spam, with every email you can create a filter that will cause certain email to go right to your inbox. So there are a lot of benefits of using filters. First of all, go to gmail.com and enter your login information. Well, we are taking the example of Gmail, but the process of entering a filter is almost same with all the email providers. It may slightly differs, but it will be very intuitive that you'll find it very handy. Next, click the Create a Filter link located next to the Gmail search bar, as you can see in the image. Enter the search criteria that you would like to apply to the filter. After entering your desired filter information, click on the Next Step button at the bottom of the dialog. Choose the appropriate box and save your filter. The boxes offer various options like skip the inbox or archive it, mark as read, star it, delete it, forward it, apply label, never send to spam, always mark as important, and etc. So this is how you can create filters with your Gmail account. Thank you.